sitting around here really needing to clean some equipment.
Why would you clean your equipment?
Why wouldn't you?
Okay, well, I guess maybe you should teach us a little bit more about it.
I mean, first off, why? That's a good question. A lot of people, like when I first met your pipe, you wouldn't clean that thing in like 2 years.
Okay, throw me under the bus. Sure, there's other people that haven't cleaned their equipment too. But I will say that once I met you, I learned the importance, and I think our subscribers would love to learn why they should keep their bongs and pipes and nectar collectors clean as well.
I would agree. To me, one of the biggest importance of cleaning your stuff is, this takes me back to the most important thing about cannabis to me, which is the terpene profiles. That's what the effects you're going to get, and that's what flavors you're going to get. Personally, I would like to appreciate each individual strain and flavor by itself. And the only way to do that is to make sure you don't have residue from the last strain you were smoking in your piece.
So you get a cleaner pull, essentially, and experience of the product that you're trying out.
Exactly.
Right. Wouldn't you say it also makes it taste better too, and is a little bit better for your lungs?
Absolutely.
Okay.
It really cuts down on the tar that your lungs is consuming, just because there's not a lot of buildup in your piece.
All right. Well, that makes sense. So what are the main ingredients that you would use to clean something?
Well, I mean, you can go as simple as paper towels and Q-tips to get in those hard to reach spaces. If you wanted to spend a little bit of extra money so you don't have to go around looking too much, you can get a standard variety cleaner. They sell them at pretty much all of your smoke shops, where you buy your rigs, your bowls, your pipes, your glass, any of those. They'll also sell these. And these things are incredibly easy to use. You don't have to add water, you don't have to find that perfect mixture. You just dump it in, shake the crap out of your piece. In fact, I'll give you a little demonstration right now. Let's use your smaller pieces for instance, this little bubbler. It's been a while since I've cleaned it. So I'm just gonna throw it in a bag. Open this up. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. Now it's gonna be a little sludgy. That's fine.
That looks so gross.
Oh, I know, right? But what this stuff does is it's specifically going to go into those hard to reach spots, and that tar, that wax buildup, that no matter what it is, whether you're smoking on a concentrate rig, you're smoking in a flower rig, doesn't matter. This stuff will break all of that down at a cellular level, and it'll wash away as easy as water.
Okay. Well,
that's done. I'll just put that away.
so for folks who don't have access to a smoke shop, and or maybe that's a little too expensive, what's another option?
Well, another very simple option. It's not as simple as just shaking it around and being done with it, but I would say it provides a much cleaner effect. And this is isopropyl alcohol. You can pick this up at pretty much any drugstore or convenience store for just under $1. And a little bit of this stuff goes a very long way. And it does the same stuff as these specialized cleaning products. It breaks down the buildup from the tar, from flour, or concentrate at that cellular level and just turns it more into a liquid.
So it takes a little bit more work, whereas the one you bought at the smoke shop might be a little bit easier to use. All right, well, that seems pretty simple. I think that I will take more consideration to what we clean and the flavors that can be experienced. Anything else you want to add?
Yes. For instance, if you have an excessively large glass rig with a bunch of percolators and little air chambers, ISO is not going to get all of that buildup. So for you, I would recommend you spend the extra little bit of dollars. This is going to be $1. This might be 14. just a little bit extra, it'll make a lot more effort, take away a lot more effort on your part.
Alright, sounds good. Well, guys, you've heard it from Aaron, so tell us what you think as well in the comment section below. If this is your first video to my stone kitchen, welcome. Midnight is definitely over there chilling and happy to be a part of this collective as well. You're invited to subscribe down below. We're going to have a lot more educational contents posted, and of course we have free recipes for edibles on our website, mystonekitchen.com. So check it out, and we'll see you guys soon.